Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Confirm your phone model and Android/iOS version so you know which menu labels appear. Once done, back up any contacts or emails you need. This avoids data loss. Then open Settings and go to Accounts or Users and Accounts to find Google. You tap the Google or Gmail account entry to reveal account options. This first step is about locating the account inside System Settings so you can remove it safely without accidentally deleting other profiles. Now you perform the core action. Tap Remove Account or Delete Account after selecting the Gmail account. You may get a warning about data removal. Read it because it explains what leaves the device. If asked, confirm with your PIN, pattern, or password to authorize removal. For iPhone users, you remove the Gmail account via Mail or Accounts and Passwords and sign out in Settings. Once signed out, Mail and associated app sync stop. Make sure you understand which data stays in Google Cloud versus local storage. Finish by restarting the phone so background sync processes stop and the system refreshes account lists. If Gmail app still shows signed in, go to Apps, find Gmail, clear data/cache or uninstall updates, then restart. If removal fails due to device admin or verification, re-add the account briefly to export needed data, disable device admin permissions, then remove it again. One key troubleshooting tip. If you encounter two-step verification blocks, use your backup codes or a...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.